Hi folks, this is for the S21 builders, Rams S21 builders that are watching. Going to do an uncrating of a Titan engine because it seems like everybody's kind of wondering what's in them. My messy shop. There's the status of my project. I've got wings on stuff all done. This is the start of a paint booth, temporary paint booth. But here's the engine. I picked up my engine in October of 2021 here about a month ago or a little more. It had been on order for about a year and shipped in. I had it shipped to Rams. I'm only about 100 miles or a little less from Rams factory, so I had it shipped there and went and picked it up with a few other parts. And comment had been made about it. It's a pretty expensive engine to have in a cardboard box, but it's actually quite a cardboard box. Very heavy construction. These corners are very, very thick and heavy stuff. You can see where this one took a punch somewhere along the line in the freight, but didn't seem to bother it. Got these plastic corners that are all tied together with these buttons like this. So you pull those out of your top four corners and you can get in. And I really haven't opened much of this yet. So. These boxes were unopened until just a little bit ago. I opened them up to make the rest of the video easier. Here's the engine, Titan340, pickled, and big pack of Deskin in there. Tempest filter already mounted. You can see there is a breathe hole or two in the plastic, but it is all pickled. I talked to Jim Ball at the open house at Rams last month, and he was explaining how they pickle it, and it's ready to sit for a little while, which is good in my case. My progress has slowed down a lot. Second year, you can put off a lot of stuff for 1 year. It seems, all the home projects, but I live on an acreage at a farm, and second year we've had to do a lot more of them things and some other stuff in life. But is a Q box, they call it. And, so I'm going to move the camera now, and I'll pull each one of these boxes out and see what's inside of each one of them with the camera mounted. Alright, hopefully that will work. I've actually mounted the camera on the shed of my cub, facing back. There are 3 boxes mounted inside of the crate with the engine. First one, this logbook may have actually been laying in there. I think this might have been, this box had been opened but closed as the 4 flaps. Has the engine logbook in it. And then it has obviously a fuel hose of some sort, and the light speed plasma ignition modules are in this box. Dual ignition indicator LED lights, wiring harness, pins. I'm not going to dig too deep right now tonight because I'm just kind of doing this. Everybody's wondering what's been in there. There's some ignition wires more further down in all the peanuts. We're not going to unpack. Packing list from Lightspeed to Continental Motors, which I'm sure this is to Rams specifications. There's a dual power supply diode included there, the way it looks, and a lot of instructions. So that's one of the boxes that's inside of here. Second box is the fuel injection box, it says. So it's precision air motive installation and specifications book. 8 clamp, a couple of them, instructions, some gaskets, foam bag packing, and the fuel injection unit. Precision air motive and experimental aircraft only, and then it's marked. Fuel injection servo outlet is marked for return. Nice looking unit. Of course, everything always is when it's new. And you look there and you can see it could dump a lot of fuel in a lot of air. Third box that was in there, it's the one basically responsible for me reshooting this because it was so snug inside of here, but service tells you where to get a hold of assistance. On top of this box is a bracket, wiring, and a belt, which if you haven't looked already on the outside, it has flame power on it, and so you know what's in there. It's a good thing you know that because it was stuck very hard together. These two foam bags, in this case, it actually, they still are stuck together actually. Loose. Yeah. No. We're just going to do this because we don't need to have it out there anyway. Alternator's still nice and bundled into some foam, and we're just going to leave it right there like that because I'm plenty far away from needing that yet. My progress has been slowed, like I mentioned, and we're still making a little bit of headway every once in a while. That's what's inside the Titan engine box when you get it, so you know what will be coming after your weight. Have fun.